In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog page Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take the blog page you built in Mobirise and get it live on your website using a quick manual publish and an FTP upload. First, sign into your Mobirise account. This makes sure you've got access to your sites and any recent edits. Once you're in, open your website project, the one that includes your blog page. If you've just made changes, give the project a quick save so everything is up to date before you publish. Next, we're going to manually publish to a local folder. Look to the upper right of the Mobirise interface and click Publish. In the Publish window, choose the option to publish to a local folder. Pick a location on your computer that you can easily find later. Creating a dedicated folder for this project keeps things organized. When you publish, Mobirise will generate all the files your site needs, including pages like index.html and an assets folder with images, styles, and scripts. After the publish completes, click Download Zip. This gives you a compressed copy of the same files you just generated. It's a convenient way to keep a portable backup of your build, and it mirrors the exact structure you'll be sending to your web host. Now it's time to upload those files to your hosting account. Open an FTP client such as FileZilla. Connect to your web host using your hosting login details and navigate to the public HTML directory or a similar web root folder that your host provides. This is the place where web files need to live so they're visible on the internet. Drag the published site files like index.html and the assets folder from your local machine into public HTML. Be sure you place them directly inside that folder, not inside a new nested subfolder, so your site paths remain correct. If you're updating an existing site, you may be prompted to overwrite files. That's normal when you're pushing a new version of your page. Give the upload a moment to finish. Larger images and assets might take a little longer, so let the transfer complete before you close your FTP client. Once done, your blog page is live and accessible from your domain. Anytime you make changes in Mobirise, just repeat this process. Publish to a local folder, download the zip if you want to backup, and upload the updated files to public HTML. That's it, your Mobirise blog page is now online and ready for visitors.